Hello, Shrunkle Spurt here, and today gonna have a good old squint at this here TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. With its snazzy NxtPaper 4.0 screen tech, which serves up an easy on the eye Kindle-style experience, as well as that max ink mode which delivers literal days of battery life. You can snaffle one here in Byyyyyeeeee for just £300, so let's have a wee look. And a massive thanks to TCL for sponsoring this video, keeping the old lights on at TechSpert Towers. Cheers! So first up, what's in that box? Well, you got yourself one TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro smartphone, of course, as well as a Type-C to Type-C USB cable. And they've also kindly chucked in a condom case, ribbed no less. And then we've also got the stand case and T-Pen stylus, which we'll be having a good squint at in a bit. Now, if you like your smartphones on the big side, you should get on famously with the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. It's a 6.9 incher, so quite the hand filler, perhaps not with the most skinny or symmetrical of bezels, but you've got pleasingly curvy corners and a reasonably skinny design. A completely flat finish for that screen and the back end. And that fiberglass back end is available in either stellar blue or nebula gold. It's a completely matte finish front and back, which does a pretty good job of repelling fingery, greasy, grimy gunk. And that goes double for the display as well, which I'm particularly fond of. It feels reasonably rugged, and it's got an IP68 dust and water resistance rating as well, which is fairly uncommon at this sort of price. So no worries if you drop the NxtPaper 70 Pro in the bath, the sink, your pint, should be no harm done. And of course, if you want to make this blower even more durable, you can slap on that stand case. This offers wraparound protection for all the corners in case you have a few too many Sunday shandies and fumble the thing. And you got that stylus secreted away in there as well, of course, and this is held firm by this wee flappy bit. And this actually rotates around as well, so you can prop this thing up either in portrait mode or landscape mode, depending on what you're up to, for a good bit of hands-free convenience. Now, to unlock the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, you've actually got an edge-mounted fingerprint sensor built into that power button, which, as you can see there, nice and responsive, you're not hanging about, as well as a good bit of face unlock as backup. And then, of course, your eyes are immediately treated to the spacious 6.9-inch extravaganza, which is the NxtPaper 4.0 display. This is still one of the most eye-friendly smartphone displays out there, boasting no less than 7 core eye care solutions, as well as a thumbs up from the likes of TUV and SGS. Got a wee bit confused at that second one, wondering why on earth a sofa retailer would be judging smartphone screens, until I realised that was actually SCS. Your Uncle Spurt gets easily confused after a half dozen single malts. And that screen once again boasts an anti-glare finish thanks to the Smarty Pants Nano Matrix lithography tech. So any pesky reflections are kicked right in the danglies, but without distorting those visuals. Everything just comes through nice and clear. You've got the fierce studio lights here beaming directly off that screen, and you can barely even tell. And this clever hardware plus the boosted brightness means that everything looks nice and clear when you're outdoors, when there's really strong ambient light. And that screen actually simulates natural light to help prevent eye fatigue if your smartphone is basically stuck to your nose all day long. If you're worried about the health of your peepers, you can turn on the eye care mode. It gives you a heads up when you should probably be resting your eyes, and also alerts you if your face is proper buried in your screen, you're in a particularly dark or bright environment. And for your nighttime viewing, you've got an eye comfort mode, which can help to filter that pesky blue light, while that brightness drops all the way down to just a single nit. So great news if you constantly find yourself Googling Armageddon-proof bunkers at 3 AM. And this screen is also certified flicker-free with a proper bit of DC dimming, just in case you're sensitive to that sort of thing. It's a Full HD Plus resolution display. You can play around with the colour output in the display settings. They're reasonably poppy and punchy by default. You also got support for up to 120Hz refresh, so skimming through the menus and all of your apps looks silky smooth. Now, stuck away here on the right edge of the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, you've got the NxtPaper key. If you give that a quick flick at any point, you'll breeze on into that max ink mode. And this morphs the screen so you're presented with an e-ink style UI, ideal for reading books or documents, anything that's particularly text heavy. There is a bookstore that you can peruse here on the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. which has a small variety of options, although frankly I would suggest preloading a bunch of your own. Now the screen is even easier on the eyes in max ink mode, and it also boosts the battery life, so you can enjoy several days of reading. You've also got limited access to your apps as well, only a handful of your absolute essentials, while notification support is also limited. So max ink mode, absolutely ideal if you just want to switch off from the world for a bit, get a bit of peace. Alternatively, you've got a couple other modes you can choose from, including color paper mode. And this offers up a color e-ink style finish, which is ideal for browsing the web, or getting stuck into a graphic novel, or a book with plenty of lush photos. And in TCL's Notes app, you can scribble any little reminders or sketch to your heart's content using that Stylus. Sketching or writing on that screen feels impressively natural thanks to the slightly textured surfacing. And the handwriting recognition's pretty bloody good. Even my semi-soused scrollings were generally recognised fine. And if you want to kick back with a telly show, a movie, perhaps even a bit of your uncle's spurt, well, you got a stereo speaker setup built in here with some DTS audio tuning. And like most smartphones these days, of course, the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro comes packed with AI goodness. All the usual shenanigans, including a writing assistant to help you draft an email or an outline, as well as a smarty pants translator which works for text, images, and voice. And of course you've got the usual googly AI shenanigans, including Gemini, Circle to search. And here's of course Android 16 slapped on here with 3 guaranteed OS updates from TCL. And you've got either 256 gigs or 512 gigs of storage, which is rather splendid. Plenty of space for all of your apps, games, books, whatever you want to hoy on this thing. In fact, you've even got a bit of eSIM support, which again, ain't too common at this sort of price point. And the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro is powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 7300 chipset, backed by 8 gigs of RAM. That means your everyday running is nice and smooth. Apps load up in a nice nippy fashion. And any gamers out there can happily blaze their way through optimized titles like PUBG and Call of Duty Mobile on higher graphic settings with a lovely fluid frame rate. And TCL has crammed a 5,200 mAh capacity cell into the NxtPaper 70 Pro. Even quite demanding users should happily make it through a full, pretty intensive day on a single charge, while as I say, if you slap it into that old max ink mode, you'll be able to curl up poolside on your holidays and enjoy several days worth of reading. When it does need a recharge, it is your basic 33 watt wired charging support, no support for wireless. And let's finish up this lovely wee squint at the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. Having a really good look at the optics. And what you got here is a 50 meg main camera with a 1/1.56 inch sensor, not a bad size. Plus a good bit of optical image stabilization, which is further good news if you take a lot of evening snaps. And that is backed by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle shooter. And you've got yourself a variety of different camera modes as well, including the obligatory portrait mode, good bit of pro mode. If you want to fiddle around with the likes of the EV levels, the white balance, the shutter speed. You've also got a dedicated motion mode, which is handy if you're snapping your furry buddies or kids, as well as a dedicated night mode for those low light snaps. And here's just a handful of sample photos that I snapped with the TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro around the old homestead. And then slapped on the front end of this TCL smartphone, you've got yourself a 32 meg selfie camera, which you can use to shoot vlog footage at up to 2K resolution at 30 frames per second. And that right there, kiddies, and a delicious wee nutshell is the fresh new TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro. Now do check out the link down in the video description for all you need to know about the NxtPaper 70 Pro and how to order your own. Be great to hear your thoughts on this snazzy new budget-friendly blower, and please do poke subscribe and ding that notifications bell for more on the latest and greatest tech. Have yourselves a ruddy, wonderful rest of the week. Cheers everybody, love you!